Namaskar. Nowadays, silence has become rare. The mind is constantly filled with thoughts and ideas that influences words and action. People speak without reflection and react without thinking. This happens because there is no stillness or silence in mind. Maun is very ancient practice to bring balance. Even studies have discovered that quiet time can regenerate brain cells, reduce stress, and enhance your creativity. Let's embrace 60 minutes of Maun every day with a powerful 14-day challenge. Maun is not just about avoiding speech, but also creating space to listen, observe, and realign. Remember, true silence isn't emptiness, it is path to clarity and self discovery. First, let's start with the benefits of Maun. Maun is not just about holding your tongue, it's about learning to control the chatter within. It allows the mind to reset, it quietens your mind and sharpens your focus. The best ideas will come when your brain is quiet or you have spent silent time. That's because your brain finally gets a chance to process thoughts without interruption. Silence is so important that I would personally give you this powerful 14 days Maun challenge. Let's understand how to do it. First, choose a time that suits you. It must be a period when you are free from interruption for 60 minutes. Remember, Maun means no speaking and no screen. For this 1 hour, there must be no talking, no texting, no forward, no scroll. Sit in a quiet corner in your house or elsewhere. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. For next few moments, simply listen to your breath, the gentle sound around you. Don't judge. Then observe your thoughts, the things you think about. Example, suppose if you have a thought like if you are worried about your future or upset because some mistakes you have made in the past, all the negative or positive things your mind keeps thinking about. Don't judge your thoughts, just observe. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Let this moment of silence be a gift to yourself, a faith to just be. In the initial days of this challenge, the mind will be restless. Your brain will keep repeating, check your phone, do something. But slowly your brain will become calmer. After 14 days, your emotions will be more balanced. You will see a deep transformation from within. You will no longer react impulsively and you will be able to manage difficult emotions like anger in a better way. This will also help you have more harmonious relationship. You will also feel most creative and energetic. Fresh ideas will come effortlessly and your productivity will become much better. This powerful 14 days Maun challenge will have a positive impact almost on every area of your life. So, give yourself just 1 hour a day for 14 days for a deeper understanding of your mind and your emotions. Namaskar.